everyone, this is Jyoti Jashnani, dietitian, yoga ratna and an author. We are coming up with an amazing package. It's a weight loss package, but mainly it is giving you good health and weight loss would be the byproduct of it. Let's see what exactly we will be doing under this. So we will be having total 8 workshops in the interval of every 15 days. So it's a 4-month course. The first workshop would be, we will first figure out the BCA, your body composition analysis, where we come to know what exactly we need to correct in your body. Second, we do not need to invest 1 hour in yoga or any kind of fitness. We have a programmed 7 minutes quick exercises which will give the benefit of working out on your overall body systems. Can we come to the third one, please? So as we know, many of us do not breathe correctly. So we have a technique to breathe in correctly so that we get maximum oxygen in our body. We exactly know that all the transport in our body of all the nutrients and various other things is because of the oxygen. So how do we work on that? We would be learning in this third workshop. So as you know, we would be doing the 4th workshop of basic nutrition education, in which you will learn to make a diet for yourself. So in future you will not need any dietitian or any yoga expert to guide your life. So now it comes about the weight loss. We all are eagerly waiting about something. Everybody wants weight loss. So we all are eagerly waiting for the weight loss. In the 5th workshop, we will be learning how to reduce the visceral fat. Most of you do not know what visceral fat is, but this is a bad organ fat which is on the digestive system, which actually inhibits the absorption of your nutrients, and that's how there is a difference in your weight. So to achieve the correct weight in your body, you need to first reduce your visceral fat. If you see the 6th workshop, it's on water retention diet. So with the water retention diet, people can easily reduce the weight. We will tell you about the fact and figures if this kind of diet implements you or not. Getting weight loss is something very easy. Many people follow a water retention diet and they reduce weight, which is not in a right procedure. They reduce weight, but they do not know that they are harming their body. So we will learn more about what is water retention and what diet and who can actually use this kind of diet. Our 7th workshop talks about the keto diet. Again, as I said, keto diet is not meant for everybody. It is only for people who are working out too much and need a good amount of protein. But otherwise, a balanced diet is the best diet. So we would learn more about why keto diet and who is allowed to use such kind of diet and who should restrict themselves for such diet. So don't go for the weight loss program, an easy tool to reduce your weight. These all techniques are used only if it is required for your body, not for the weight loss achievement. After doing all this, we are going to definitely lose a lot of weight and we would see how much weight we have lost. Thank you so much. This is a 4-month course. 15 days would be the duration of each course. Every 15 days we are going to tell you a technique and you need to follow it for 15 days and come up with the results. So we will come to know about how we are growing together. Mainly we will be working on our good health, and as I said, weight loss will be the byproduct. Thank you so much. Signing off, Jyoti Jashnani.